In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on LinkedIn. Whether you're updating it due to a job change, personal reasons, or simply because you have a new preferred email address, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly and effectively. To start off, you need to access your account settings. Simply go to your LinkedIn homepage and look for your profile picture, which is located at the top of the page. It appears as a Me icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the central hub for adjusting your account settings. Once you're in the settings area, you should look at the left pane of the screen. Here, you'll see various categories for managing your LinkedIn presence. The one we're interested in is Sign In and Secures. I'm in Sign In Security. Click on this option to open a new set of choices that pertain to your account's access and security features. Moving forward, within the Sign In and Security section, you'll notice an option labeled Email Addresses. This is where you manage your email accounts connected to LinkedIn. Click on Email Addresses, and you'll see a list of the emails currently associated with your account. To add a new email, click on the Add Email Address button. LinkedIn will prompt you to enter the new email address you wish to add. Be sure to type it carefully to avoid any mistakes that might lead to verification issues later on. Once you've entered your new email address, click to proceed. After adding your new email, LinkedIn will send a verification email to the address you just entered. This step is crucial because it confirms that you indeed own the email address and secures your LinkedIn account. Go to your email inbox and find the email from LinkedIn. Follow the instructions provided in the email to verify the new address. This usually involves clicking a verification link. Once verified, if you wish to use this new email address as your primary login, you have the option to make it your primary email on LinkedIn. To do this, find the list of your email addresses again and look for the Make Primary option next to your new email. Click on this to establish it as your main contact point. This step is optional, but can be helpful if you prefer to use the new email more often. Finally, you also have the opportunity to tidy up your account by removing any old email addresses that you no longer use. Keeping your contact information up to date ensures seamless communication and increases the security of your LinkedIn account. And there you have it. With these simple yet detailed steps, you've successfully updated your email address on LinkedIn, ensuring your profile remains current and secure. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.